Welcome to our STAD lecture series. Today's topic is design of strip footing foundation beam. Let's open a new project, space frame, footing beam, next finish. Let's select the point and undergo transitional repeat. Transitional repeat in X direction. Link step, this way I have drawn the foundation beam. Now it is our duty to assign section. Define section rectangular, depth 0.75 mm, width 0.6 meter. Add, close. Assign to view, assign. So the section 750 by 600 has been assigned. Now we will assign load. For that we have to define load case. Dead load is our load case. In the dead load case, we will add two loads. Nodal loads. Minus 1100 kilonewton and 1150 kilonewton. Now we will assign this load to the beam. At selected nodes. Now we have to subdivide the beam into small parts so that we can fix their foundations, spring foundations. Split beam. We want to divide the beam into 250 mm length parts. So we will divide this length of beam is 1.5 meter. So we will insert 5 points so that each division will be of 250 millimeter length. Okay, the beam has been divided. Now let us divide this beam. Split beam, add 5 points, and the beam will be subdivided into same length of 250 millimeter. Now we will assign supports, spring supports to the intermediate points. First of all, we will define supports. We will release Fx, Fz, Mx, My, Mz and give the spring in only Fy direction, Kfy. Now, how will this value be calculated? Let us assume our foundation is 3 meter wide. So let us input 3 into 250 millimeter length into bearing capacity. Let us take bearing capacity of 90 kilonewton per meter square. 90 into 100. So this 6750 kilonewton per meter is our spring constant. Add. Assign. 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 Close. So our foundation has been assigned. Now we will go to command, go to loading and go to load list. We will select dead load and click on OK. Again go to command, analysis, perform analysis. OK. Now let's analyze the structure. Analysis has been done. Now let's go to post processing. Apply OK. In post processing, click beam. Here we see the bending moment diagram of the footing beam. Our strip footing beam bending moment diagram is shown this way. We can also see the shear force diagram this way. We can also view the value by going to result, view value, beam result, shear, maximum, annotate. You see all the shear force value is being shown in the screen. From this shear value you can calculate the shear stress, and after that you can design the beam. Now let's go to bending moment Mz. Bending maximum annotate. So here is the bending moment value. Bending moment value being shown. From this bending moment value you can design the beam. Bending moment, you can design the moment of the beam and provide longitudinal reinforcement steel. From the shear force value you will design and provide shear steel. So this is the end of our lecture.